Yeah, so in last class we were talking about the chapter AP, right? I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Is it? Okay. So AP, to give some example, you can take the table of 2, multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, or if you take any multiple like 5, 10, 15, etc. Okay? These all series will be called as AP. How can you say whether they are AP or not? Can anyone tell me? Exactly. The common difference should be same. Common difference means the gap between these two numbers, two consecutive numbers. Okay. Here you can see the gap is 2 throughout. Same with here. Here the gap is 5. Correct? So based on this gap, we call this gap as common difference. Right? Common difference. If the common difference is same throughout, then it will be an AP. And these are called as what? We call them as terms, right? And they are denoted by A, A1, A2, A3, right? Isn't it? Yes, Meghna, mute yourself. Yeah. So these are the terms of AP. Okay. And we also discussed about AN formula in the last class. What is AN formula? AN is equal to, can anyone tell? A plus N minus 1 into D, right? Yeah, this one we have discussed in the last class. And how will you find D? D can be find using the formula A2 minus A1, correct? Yeah. So I hope it's clear till here, right? Okay. Yeah. Also, in the last class, we have solved some of the problems. So I can share you this PDF. I hope you all have taken the print. I had shared that in the group as well. Okay. So all these questions were solved in our last class. Okay. So till it's all right. I think we were dealing with 4 mark question, right? Yes. I'll show you at last. Okay, don't talk in between with elimination method. I've already said we'll discuss in the last 15 minutes. Okay. So here we are dealing with AP first. Then based on your doubts, we'll extend the class for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Only to clear your doubts. Okay. Now, if the doubt is related to AP and the topic which we are discussing, you can ask, or else don't disturb the class. Got it? Okay. I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Is it visible? Okay. So here, now coming to the second question. This is again a 4 mark question, right? This is again a 4 mark question. So did you try, guys? Have you tried these questions? Anyone? Okay. Are you guys there? Following? Yes. Okay. Shall we solve this question? See, 4 mark questions, they are very easy if you know the data. Okay. So first we will write the data of this question. I'll solve this and we'll give you some questions to try yourself. Okay. See here what they have given. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. This is the first data. Wherever they have given this and. So before that and there will be one data. After the and there will be the other data. So here the first data says the seventh term. It means A7. They are talking about A7. So the seventh term of AP is 4 times. 4 times means multiple of 4. 4 times its second term. This is what they are telling here. And the next is 12th term is, 12th term means A12 is 2 more than means 2 plus 2 more than 3 times of its fourth term, 3 times of its fourth term. Got it? Find the progression. Find the progression means you need to find A1, A2, A3, that's all. Okay, so now I will write this data properly here. They have told 7th term is equal to what? 4 times of A2, right? And 12th term is 2 more than 3 times of A4. Understood? Have you understood the data? Okay. Now, how to find this? So, solution is simple. See, whenever they give you this data, A form, you have to use AN formula. Okay? And if you know the value of A and D, you will get AP, right? Because A1 is A itself, A2 is A plus D. What about A3? A3 is A plus 2D. So if you know the value of A and D, you can solve this question, correct? So since we need to find two variable, that is A and D, they have given us two datas. Understood? Are you following me? Yes, any doubt in this question? Yeah, so shall we solve this? Okay, so we know the formula. You can write the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so I'm using the first data. They have given A7 as 4 into A2. Now replace this A7, A2 with A and D. So A7 can be written as A plus 6D, correct? 4A2. It can be written as A plus D. Any doubt in this? Yeah. So now just remove this bracket, multiply 4 into A plus 4 into D. Now bring everything to LHS, like A and D to LHS, and if there is any number, keep it in RHS. So A plus 6D is equal minus 4A minus 4D equals to 0. Now take out the like terms here. A minus 4A is minus 3A, and 6D minus 4D is plus 2D, which is equal to 0. Any doubt? This is your equation number 1. Clear? So you got this equation number 1. Now look at the second data. The data says A12 is equal to 2 plus 3 into A4, correct? So again replace this with A and D. A12 can be written as A plus 11D, right? Yes, are you guys there following? Yeah, and here A4 can be written as A plus 3D, isn't it? So solve it. So this is 2 and these two are together. Don't add 2 plus 3 is 5, then it will be wrong. First multiply this. So 3A plus 3 into 3 is 9D. Now bring A and D to LHS. So A plus 11D, then minus 3A minus 9D, and keep these two in the RHS itself. Now again solve the like terms. So 3A and 2A, A is minus 2A, and 11 minus 9 is how much? 2D, correct? Which is equal to 2, and this is your equation number 2. Any doubt till here? Everyone clear? Okay, fine. So yeah, the guy who was asking about elimination method, you can just watch out this. From here you will get this as elimination. Okay, yeah, just look at here. This is in the form of, if you can imagine, this A is X, imagine, and 2D is Y, which is equal to 0, and again here 2X plus 2Y is equal to 2. Yes, can you all imagine this? Yeah. So X and Y are variable. At place of X and Y we have A and D. Okay, so we are going to solve this in elimination method, solving equation number 1 and 2. Okay, solving the linear equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. If you want to write, you can write that as well. Okay, so after this you have to write this here, 3a minus 3a plus 2d equals to 0, again minus 2a plus 2d equals to 2. Now what are we going to do here, addition or subtraction? Yes, it should be subtraction, right? Isn't it? Yes, see. Yes, mute yourself please. So why we are going to do subtraction? See here. If you are going to add this, this is going to be 5a, right? And this will be 4d. So there is no use of adding because we are not eliminating anything. So to eliminate, we need to do subtraction. Okay? Yes. Yes, Ranjit, mute yourself or else you will be out from the class. So this is plus, this is minus, again this is minus. We are going to do subtraction here. So minus 3a plus 2a is how much? It is minus a, correct? And 2a minus 2d, it gets cancelled here. Again you will get here minus 2. So both the minors get cancelled, you will get the value of a as 2. Any doubt in this step? Okay, good. Fine. Now whatever value you got, substitute this. Let me write it here. Now substitute this in either 1 or 2. Okay, substitute the value of a as 2 in equation number 1. I'm taking 1 here, you can take 2 as well, not a problem. So 3a plus 2d equals to 0. Now substitute a as 2 plus 2d equals to 0. So 3 2s are, this is minus 6 and this is as it is. Okay, now 2d is equal to 6 goes to RHS, it's become plus 6. So d is 6 by 2, which is 3. So what is the value of d? D is how much? 3, right? So we got the value of a and d. So that's all. That is the answer we have got. But they have asked to find AP. So AP is what? As I said in the beginning itself, you need to write A1. A1 is equal to 2. A2 is, just keep adding now d. 2 plus 3. This is 5. A3 is 5 plus again d, which is 3. So it is 8. A4 can be written as 8 plus 3, which is 11, and so on. Therefore this is our AP, 2 comma 5 comma 8 11 and so on. Any doubt in this? Have you all understood and followed? You should know the step properly. Okay, for 4-mark question, see, every time they will give you 2 data, okay, and 2 unknowns will be there. What it? Mostly a and d itself. If you can reduce it to a and d form, either using an formula or sn formula, the rest of the work will become easier. Got it? Easy? Yeah. Shall we go to the next question? Okay. So let's see what is the next question here. Okay. So you just tell the data, no need of solving. If you can tell the data properly, you follow the same step of elimination method, you will get the answer. So we'll try to do like that to itself. Okay. I will tell you the data, you can try and tell me the answer. Is that fine? Okay, so look at question number 3. I hope it's visible. Let me read out for you guys. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of AP is 24. Okay, this is the first data. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of AP is 24. So it can be written as what? Can anyone tell me? Exactly, A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Good. Next, the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. So this can be written as, yeah, a6 plus a10 is equal to 44. Find the first three term of AP. Again, this is about A and D. If you know the value of A and D, you can find A1, A2 and A3 as well. So you guys can try this, right? So shall we go to next question, or shall I give you some time? Okay, good. So it's easy, no? You can do it, correct? Yeah, so data is enough. The rest is same as the old method, the previous question. Okay, now let's see the question number 4 here. So again, you should know the data first. So let me see whether you can tell the data or not. So see, they are telling there are 5 terms in an AP. Okay, first data is this. Total how many terms are there? 5. Yeah. Next, the sum of these term is 55. Okay, what does this mean? Can anyone tell me? Whether this is A5 or S5? It is S5. Okay. Why? S is sum. So see, there are 5 terms here. If I write here A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay, if I add them all, so this gives me S5. Understood? So instead of adding all these terms, we have Sn formula there. Are you getting me? I'm explaining you the data. Okay. So there are 5 terms. So n is equal to 5. That is A1 to A5 they have given. Okay. Now the sum of these 5 terms means S5 they have given as 55. Next is the fourth term is, means this term A4. The fourth term is 5 more than, okay, 5 more than means 5 plus the sum of first two terms. So this is S2. The sum of first two terms means S2, or else you can write this in this form as well. The sum of first two terms, that is A1 plus A2. Even this is correct. Are you getting me? Yeah. Next is find the terms of AP. So again we have two datas S5 and the fourth term they are telling us 5 plus S2. So you can solve this. Yeah, shall I explain the method as well? It's same. Have you understood the question? If you have understood the question, it's easy. Here, which formula you are going to use? Which formula will you use here? Yeah, both Sn and An formula you have to use. Okay, you should use both An and Sn formula. Why? See, here they have given S5. So for that, S5 is how much? 55. So Sn formula we know that. Here you can't use An formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S5. So this becomes 5 by 2 into 2a plus 5 minus 1 is 4d. Correct? S5 is how much? 55, which is equal to 5 by 2. And here if I take 2 common, so this becomes a plus 2d, right? Any doubt? Yeah, so 2 will get cancelled. You will get 55 equals to 5 into a plus 2d. Now transfer this to LHS. This becomes 55 by 5, which is equal to a plus 2d. So 5 11s. So we have the first equation. A plus 2d is equal to how much? Yes, this is our first equation. Now using second data, here you have to use A4 5 plus S2. So A4 again you have to use An formula. We know that you have to write here An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you substitute. A4 can be written as a plus 3d, right? 5 plus s2. See, at the place of s2, you can write here a1 plus a2 as well. Let me write that itself. Why? Because instead of using a Sn formula there, I can use an formula easily. So a1 is a itself, and a2 can be written as a plus d. Any doubt? No. Fine. So now just bring all a and d to LHS and number to RHS. So this a plus a is 2a, and this is d, that is minus d, which is equal to 5. So 2a minus a, it is minus a, and 3 and d is how much? Plus 2d, which is equal to equation 5. This is equation number 2. Any doubt? Yes. Understood? And you can share the link with as many students as possible. Most of them are joining the group now. So if you know your classmates or other friends, do share the link with them. Okay? Okay. So now you can solve these two equations, right? By which method? By which method are you going to solve? Yes, by elimination method. Again, so just write a plus 2d equals to 5, and sorry, minus a, that is, and this is a plus 2d equals to 11. So what are you going to do here? Addition or subtraction? Yes, you can do both addition as well as subtraction. You'll get the answer. Okay, here if you do addition, these two will get cancelled, and here this will be 4d, and this is 16. So d is 16 by 4, which is 4. So d value is 4. Now substitute. I'll write here, put d is equal to 4 in equation number 1. So you'll get a, right? Easy, right? Yeah, the question looks little difficult, but if you try, it will be easier, and definitely you are going to get it for 4 marks in your exam. Sometimes they will give for 5 marks, okay, but 4 marks is guaranteed. So we got a and d, so the three terms will be, I'll write directly here, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15, and so on. This is the AP, right? Got it? It's easy, right? Yes. Have you got any doubt? Please let me know. So you people can solve 4 mark questions, correct? Yeah, so let me give one more now. Sorry. The next question. Can you just tell me the data? I'll not ask anything else. You just tell me the data. I hope this. Okay. And now is it visible? Yeah, so just write the data and tell me. If data is correct, we'll go to the next one. Okay. The sum of second and fourth term. Okay, so it says a4 plus, sorry, a2 plus a4 is 54, good, and the sum of first 11 s11 is 693. Find the AP. Okay, so this is same as old, but there is addition of a question as well. Which term of progression is 132 more than its 54th term? Means an they have given. You see, an is 132 plus a54. You have to find this n value. Okay, so this is actually 5 mark question. So here same method, use an formula, Sn formula, you get A and D value, right? You'll get the AP, right? Are you following? And for this question, here whatever the second question is, you use this formula, substitute A plus n minus 1 into D, here 132 plus A plus 53D. See, you will be already having this A and D value. Just substitute everywhere and solve it for n. Are you getting it? It's easy. So I guess you can try this as well. No need of explaining me, right? No need of explanation, correct? You can do it, no? Are you guys following? Okay. So next question. I hope it's visible. Yeah. So can you tell me the data? Just tell me the data. Yes. Okay. 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 Find the AP. Okay, this is first question. Find the AP, and then also find which term of progression is 62. Okay, means an they have given as 62, and we have to find n here, right? This is the question, right? Okay, but another thing is they have given one more data. What is this? There are 20 terms in the AP. N is how much? 20. So it's starting from A1 ending till 20. So these many terms are there. Fine. After that the question is the sum of first term and sixth term. See, the question is the sum of first term and sixth term. It means they have given A1 plus A6, not S6. This data is wrong. That's why you have to read question properly. The sum of first and sixth term is 0. The fourth and fifth term are like they have given fourth term is 2 and fifth term is 6, right? Then you have to find AP. And then the second question, an is 62, find the value of n. Any doubt? Have you guys understood the question? Yes, have you understood? So which formula will you use? Can anyone tell? Again, see, can you find D directly? Can anyone tell me D, the value of, if you just look at the data, can you tell me D directly? Yeah, very good. It's 4. Why? Because these two are the extra data, A5, A4. So we know that D can be a term minus its previous term, correct? So here it is A5. If you subtract A4 from it, you will get D. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So using these two data we got D. Now using this data, what can we get? D is already there. Using this data, A1 plus A6 is equal to 0. You can get A, right? This is A and this is A plus 5D, which is equal to 0. So now we have 2A plus 5 into 4 equals to 0. So 2A plus 20 equals to 0. So 2A is minus 20. A is how much? Minus 10. So the value of A is minus 10, right? So you got the value of A and D. So AP can be easily find out, correct? Right. So the first question is understood. Now second, this also you can do it, isn't it? See, they are asking, you see, AN is 62, but what is N? So use AN formula, A plus N minus 1 into D. A we have already got as minus 10, N we don't know, D is how much? It is 4, which is equals to 62. Now transfer this to RHS first. So here n minus 1 into 4 equals to 62 plus 10, which is equal to 72, right? Yeah. So n minus 1 into 4 is that value. Now n minus 1 is equal to 72 by 4. So if you solve this, 4 ones are, and this is 32. So 4 eights are, correct? So n minus 1 is 18. N will be 18 plus 1. How much? 19. Got it? Yeah. So using same method you can solve the previous question as well. Okay. I hope you all are getting it. Any doubt? Okay. So shall we go to the next question, or shall we start LBA question, multiple choice questions? LBA, are you guys aware of that? LBA. Do you have any idea on LBA? See, the board, that is Karnataka board, to improve the result of SSLC, they have introduced LBA. LBA means lesson based assessment. So they have prepared some questions based on each chapter, from each chapter. Let me show you here. This is like AP. Okay, can you see the screen? Yeah, so this is questions based on AP. So it has totally 84 questions, 20 easy, 56 average, and 8 difficult questions. So this is just for practice, but you can practice only if you know the basics properly. Got it? So that's why I'm teaching you the basics, the lessons first, the basics part of lesson, as well as solving some problems related to it, which has been asked in the last exams. So if you know them, these questions are very easy, you can solve them easily. Got it? So I thought of starting this from tomorrow. So shall we start it tomorrow itself? Today we'll finish that part. Okay? Yeah, I will share that in group. Don't worry. So have you understood till this? Where is that? Yeah, this question which we solved just now. Sixth one. Have you understood? Yeah. Now can you tell me the data of seventh? If you know the data, it means you can solve the problems as well. Just tell me the data. Yeah, sure. You just read the question. Everyone try it. Write the data. Okay, so as per you, A is equal to 3. Good. Then, okay, L is equal to 253. Fine. Then, A20 is 98. Okay, first AP. Then we need to find S10 from the last. See, some of the last 10 terms, not first 10 terms. Last 10. Let me write here. This is little tricky question. Okay, so let's see whether the given data is correct or not. They have told uh, the first and last term of AP is 3n253. Yeah, this is correct. If the 20th term of AP is 98, okay, even that is fine. Find AP, okay. Also find the sum of last 10 terms of this AP. Last 10 terms, okay. So last, it means AN itself here. As per this, the last is AN. L or AN both are same. Got it? So how are you going to approach this? AP you can find. This is the data is already given. See, the first term is 3. Okay, and it's being continued till the last term, which is 253. Okay, we need to find D. How will you find this D? We have the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? AN is given as 253, A is 3, we don't know the value of N, also we don't know the value of D, right? Are you getting this? So you keep them as it is, transfer this 3 to LHS, we'll get N minus 1 into D is equal to 250. Is this clear to everyone? Yes, is this clear? Yeah, this is using the first data. Now the second data says what? A20 is 98. So if I write A20 is equal to 98, use this data. A20 can be written as A plus how much? 19D is equal to 98, right? What is A here? 3. Substitute. 3 plus 19D equals to 98. So 19D is equal to 98 minus 3. So this is 95. 19D is 95. So D is how much? 95 by 19. How much is this? 5. D is how much? Yeah. So if you substitute now D in this equation 1, so can you get N? Yeah. So this is little different question, but it's easy. N minus 1, this is 50. So N minus 1 is 51. Right? It's correct. 51 is correct. So we got this value. N we have got. Isn't it? Now see, AP we can find now. AP is what? A. A is 3. Now keep on adding D. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. It keeps on going. Now look here. For coming to this last question, what is the value of S from the last? Sum of last 10 terms. Listen this carefully. Last 10 terms. Yeah. So if I start from this side, if I take this as first term, 253, what will be the next term if it goes in this direction? D was 5, correct? So if you are going from left to right, D is positive, correct? It's increasing. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yes guys, see, we got the APS 3 comma 8 comma 11, and it goes on like this. So here 5 is been increased in each part. But if I come in opposite direction, for example 11, 8 and 3, so what will happen? 5 will get decreased, correct? So same thing happens here. D becomes minus 5 when you goes in reverse direction. This will be 248. This will be 243. Are you getting me? Yeah. So our first term for this is 253 and D is minus 5. N is 10 and first term we already have this. What is first term? For this case it will be last term. An will be how much? It will be 3, isn't it? Are you following? Yeah, so use that easy formula. Sn is n by 2 into a plus an. Even if you don't have d, you will get n total. Sorry, you can you use this? No. Why can't you use this? Because they have asked only 10 terms, but this n is here 51. So use the other formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Are you getting me? So S10 will be 10 by 2 into 2a. A is 253. This is 9 into d is minus 5. Minus is very important. So this is 5. And this is how much? 6, 0, 5 to the 10, 1, 11. Minus 45. So 5 into, how much is this? 1. And this is 6. Right? And this 10. 1061. Is it correct? Yes. Are you guys there following? Are you understanding? 11106 minus 45 is 1061. Into 5 you do. So you'll get S10 from the last is how much? 5305. Got this? So this comes under difficult question. Okay? And it will be for 5 marks. But it's easy only if you know data, if you know the basics, you can easily solve, isn't it? Are you all following? Any doubt? Yes, good. So you all should try them, only then you will be able to solve in exam. Okay, if you are just watching it, but later if you are not trying them by yourself, there is no use in this. You will just know the method, but in exam you need to solve, and that will happen only when you practice. Okay. Okay, so can you tell me the data of this question, guys? I hope it's easy. Are you all following? So shall we stop it here or shall we go to SN type question? 4 marks you can do, no? Okay, so there were some 2 mark questions based on SN. So let's go there. We'll stop this SN 4 mark question here itself, because I guess you people can do it. Now this is 2 mark question based on SN. So let's discuss it. Can you see this? Yeah, can you see the first question? Yeah, can you tell the answer? What is the answer for this question? Yeah, that's all. They have asked only to write the formula to find sum of first n terms. So Sn of an AP whose first term, okay, yeah, whose first term is a and last term is an. So the formula is Sn is equal to n by t 2 into a plus an. That's all. It's easy, right? So that is 1 mark question. Next question number 2. What does it say? see the second question. See the question here is, this is again indirect question for 2 mark. Find the sum of first positive integers, sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So indirectly they have given you the AP. What is the AP? Can anyone tell? Okay, multiple of 6. Till where? Till n is 40. N is 40. No need of writing that last number. Okay. Sometimes they here it's easy. 40 into 6 if you do, you are getting 240. Correct. 240. So first term, last term, nth term. It's all given. So you can use directly. Sometimes they will ask from the middle like 2-digit term, 3-digit term. So then you use the different method. Don't use this method like first and last term. Got it? Here if I use directly because it's easy, so I'll get this one, 40 by 2, 6 plus 240. So this is 20 into 246. You can do this, right? It's easy. Okay. Are you guys following it? Okay. Shall we go to the next question? Have you understood this? Second one? Okay. Now these questions, they will ask every time for 2 marks. Like in each exam, these questions will be asked for the dull students. So at least there will be some questions which are very easy. Even if the dull students practice, they are going to get easily 28 to 30 marks. So such question is for those type of students only. Only data and formula. So data, what is data here? Yes, n is 20. First term is 1. Yeah. D is 4. So SN formula. So for formula you have half marks. In maths, formula is very important. Okay. So practice these questions. If you are good at it, even if you don't practice, it's fine. But you should know how to solve. Okay. Only in substitution some will do mistake. But if your practice is good, then you can easily get this mark. So 19 fours are how much? I will write directly. 19 into 4 is 76. Yes. So 10 into 78, 780. It's very easy. Such questions has been asked several times. See, now next question will be in the same format. Here again same, ADN is given. So use SN formula, you will get it directly. Okay. So I'll skip that question as well. Is it okay? No, you can solve it. Correct. Yeah. Now question number 5. Find the same question. Find the sum of first 30 terms of AP. The question is same. N is given. AD is also there. You just use SN formula, you'll get the answer. Okay. Yeah. Next, coming to the some different type of question. Yes. Can you read this? Can anyone read the question? Is it visible? Question number 6. Am I audible to all? Yeah, so can you try question number 6? Can you tell me just the data? I can't erase this. Okay. Okay, the second term and third term. Okay, fine. Is given. Then what is the data? S26. Very good. So second term of the AP is 14 and the third term of the AP is 18. See, whenever they give you respectively, and here there are two datas. Again here it's written like this. So second and third, and here they have given 14 and 18 respectively. It means this second belongs to first and this third belongs to second. Got it? That's what this respectively means. Here like whichever is first, in this case also the first will be belonging to that part itself. Okay, and they've asked S26. Yes, so how will you approach this? How can you find? See, we have Sn formula, right? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Yes? Are you guys there? Yeah. So n is there. We have n as 26 because some of the first 26 they have asked. The value of n is there. But do we have the value of a and d? Yeah. So how are you going to find them? Instead of that, they have given some other data here. A2 and A3 is given. So can't I find D using that? Yes. So D can be A3 minus A2, right? Yeah. So 18 minus 14. How much is that? 4. D is 4. And what could be A? It is A2 minus D, right? See, just you subtract 4. 14 minus 4 is how much? 10. So even we got the value of A. So this is indirect question, but it's easy. A and D you need to find. Easy, right? You can do, no? Yes. Any doubt you have? No. Chalo, fine. Next question number 7. Again, what is the data given? Yes. Are you guys there listening? Please answer if you are there in the class. Okay. Try to answer. Then only see, maths is about interaction. If you don't interact, you will not learn anything. Just by looking at the board, you will not understand. You have to answer. Okay. Here again S16 Sn formula A and D directly you can find. So no need of me to explain this question. Correct? Okay. Now eighth one. Can anyone tell me what is the question of number 8? What you need to find? Can you read 8th question? Okay. What is An given here? What is the data given here? What you need to find? See, I'll explain this. Just listen. They have asked find how many terms of AP must be added to get sum 165. It means Sn is given as 165. You have A as 3, D as again 6 minus 3, 3. You need to find N. So which formula are you going to use? Sn, exactly. So you can solve this question as well, right? Yeah, if you use Sn formula, all the data is there. At place of Sn, you just write 165. Only n you need to find. So either you will get the answer directly or you will get it in the form of quadratic equation which you need to solve. Okay. Okay, so the next questions, I think most of them, let me see here. Question number 9 again same format, 11 same format, 12 same, 13 same, 14 same, and 16 is also same, 17 is also same. Only 10th one is little different, as well as the 15th one. So we'll do these two and we'll wind up the class. Is that fine? Okay. Here the question is find the sum of first 20 positive integers. So what is the data? Can anyone tell? What have they given? AP. First tell me what is AP here. Huh? Can you see the screen? Yeah, what is the AP given indirectly? See, they have asked, exactly, they have asked find the sum of first 20 positive integers. So positive integer starts from 1, 2, 3. It keeps on going till 20. So we have, you can use directly the second formula of Sn, n by 2 into a plus an. You'll get the answer directly. We have a, we have n, also Sn, an. Both n and Sn are same, right? So you can solve this question, even that is easy. Now coming to the last question of this video or this class, since I'm going to upload this on YouTube as well, so I'm mentioning it as video. Okay. Okay, so question number 16, what does it says? 16 or some other question? Where is it? Sorry. Array, something happened to the screen. Just a minute. Is it 16 or some other question? Yeah, 15th one, not 16. Can you see the screen? Yeah, this question. An AP consists of 20 terms whose first and last terms are 12 and 106. Oh, so this is the easier. I thought it's little different. Can you tell me which formula will you use? N is, yeah, n is 20. First term is 12. In last term, an is 106. They have asked find the sum Sn. So which formula will you use? You have two formula, no? N by 2 into a plus an. You use this formula. This is the data for this formula because we have a, n and an. So you can easily get the answer. Got it? So let me solve this. 12 plus 106. So this is 10 and this is 118. So answer is 1180. Right? Yeah. So I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed in today's class. Any doubt you have? Yeah, so I will be winding up this PDF which I have sent. If you don't have this, you can just text me hi to my WhatsApp number. I hope you have that. I am just mentioning it here. If you don't have, you can note it down. Okay. You can just say hi and your name. I will share you the PDF. Okay, and you, I'll share you the link. Okay, both the class link, group link, as well as the YouTube channel link. Okay, you can just go through it. And in next class we will discuss LBA, lesson based assessment, released by the board. Okay, so tomorrow again at the same time, 7:30. Okay guys, chalo. So thank you for joining the class. I hope